used to run from every mirror, afraid to see the parts I broke. I swept the past under the silence, hid the truth beneath the smoke. But shadows only follow where light refuses to grow. I am not the storm I've survived. I am the sky after the rain. Every scar becomes a map leading me home again. I am learning how to stay with myself. Forgiveness like a seed, even if the soil still aches. The river doesn't rush to heal. It's soft and stone with patient grace. The night never wins when I dare to hold my own hand. I am not the storm I've survived. I am the sky after the rain. Every scar becomes a map leading me home again. I am learning how to stay with myself. Quiet doesn't mean empty. Stillness doesn't mean lost. Healing isn't loud. It's the moment you stop running.